In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly zoom in and out of your documents in Microsoft Word using just your keyboard. This handy skill is perfect for quickly adjusting your view without interrupting your workflow, making it easier than ever to focus on the details that matter most. Let's begin by locating the Windows Start menu. For many of us, this is a familiar step. Simply click the Start button, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's that little icon that beckons with the promise of a world of applications and settings at your fingertips. Next, it's time to summon Microsoft Word from the plethora of applications nestled within your computer. Begin by typing Word into the search bar that appears after you've clicked the Start button. As you type, Windows will begin to filter through your applications, bringing Microsoft Word to the forefront of your search results. Once you've spotted Microsoft Word, go ahead and click on its icon. This action will launch the application, bringing you closer to mastering the art of zooming with just your keyboard. Upon opening Microsoft Word, you're greeted with the Word Home. Here you have the choice of either clicking on a blank document to start fresh, or selecting one of your recent documents to continue where you left off. The choice is yours, and either path leads you to the next step of our journey together. Now here we are, at the heart of today's lesson, zooming using keyboard commands. To zoom in and bring those words and images closer to your scrutinizing gaze, simply press CTRL and the plus key simultaneously on your keyboard. This magical combination works like a digital magnifying glass, bringing texts and objects closer with each press. But what if you've zoomed in too much? Fear not, for the reverse action is just as simple and intuitive. To zoom out, giving you a wider view of your document, you press CTRL and the Alt key together. This command allows you to step back, ensuring that you can adjust your view to perfectly suit your needs at any given moment. The beauty of using these keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word lies in their simplicity and efficiency. With a mere flick of your fingers, you can seamlessly adjust your view, diving into the details, or taking a step back to see the bigger picture. This technique not only saves time, but also keeps you in the flow of your work, eliminating the need to fiddle with menus or toolbars. Moreover, mastering these keyboard shortcuts for zooming in and out empowers you to work more comfortably. Adjusting the zoom level can help reduce eye strain and make reading and editing documents a more pleasant experience. In conclusion, the ability to zoom in and out in Microsoft Word using just your keyboard is a simple yet powerful skill that enhances your workflow and productivity. By pressing CTRL plus to zoom in and CTRL plus D to zoom out, you can quickly find the perfect view for every task. Remember, like any skill, proficiency comes with practice. So I encourage you to integrate these keyboard shortcuts into your daily routine, making them a natural part of your document editing process. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're drafting your next masterpiece, compiling research, or simply tidying up a report, these keyboard shortcuts will surely come in handy. Happy editing, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks that will make navigating your digital world a breeze.